Installation of the universal cord tensioner is the same for both chain and cord tensioners. Press and hold both UCT release buttons at the same time. Move the screw hole down to release the safety mechanism. Slide the UCT down to the bottom of the cord or chain loop. Pull down the UCT so that the operating cord or chain is fully under tension. Mark the wall at the notch in the UCT for both cord and chain. Drill the screw hole. Insert one of the longer provided screws into the screw hole in the UCT. Press in on the UCT release buttons at the same time and pull down on the screw hole to align the hole. Attach the UCT directly to the wall. Do not over-tighten. Ensure the cord or chain moves through the UCT up and down. To remove the universal cord tensioner, simply remove the single screw.